In this video, we're going to go over how you can get evolution shards for free here in Clash Royale. But before we get into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe with all notifications on for more videos just like this. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content. But if you do want evolution shards but don't want to spend money, here's how you can actually get them for free. Now the first method is kind of weird, but it's actually on the Pass Royale. And yes, I'm not just talking about the paid version, I'm actually talking about this free version right here. As you can see, there is evolution shards at tier 19 as well as tier 70. So make sure you grind the Pass Royale just a little bit. It's super easy to level up through this, and you still have around 14 days of this current season. And it looks like there's actually one on tier 90 as well. I can't believe I forgot about this. But that's not the only method though, because this next method is actually something that you're going to have to keep your eye out for, and that's special events. Now Supercell occasionally includes evolution shards as rewards in timed events, so make sure you're checking the events as much as possible. Unfortunately, the season shop no longer offers evolution shards, so that's the only option. So these are the only options to get evolution shards for free right now. But that's it. Stay active, complete your pass, and check every event. If this video did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great day. Peace.